Today we're gonna be making choriqueso, chili, jalapeno, hot dog. This is really good. This is a really nice recipe. Let's get to it. First we're gonna start with the jalapeno and onions. We're gonna make small pieces. These hot dogs are from Food. You can find them anywhere. You can find them at Walmart. Really good. We're gonna split it open like this. And if you want, you can take that skin off of it, just like so. I always take it off. We're gonna use chorizo. That's so we can make that choriqueso. I guarantee you guys are gonna like this one. This is really good. It's a really good, fast dish that you can make at home. You probably already have all the ingredients. Let's put our veggies in there. Let's put a hot dog in there. And I actually learned this from my mom. She used to make this and it always turned out really good. It can't be choriqueso without cheese. So we're gonna put some mozzarella in there. And then we're gonna cover it for a little bit. Let the cheese melt. Somebody asked me in the comments where my parents was. Both of my parents are down in Mexico. They're both US citizens, but they moved to Mexico. They're retired now, so. Oh my goodness, look at that melted cheese. Look at this choriqueso, guys. Tell me this ain't perfect. I know you remember this salsa that we made 2 days ago. This is the green avocado salsa. Now we got some good guacamole. The queso mixed with the chorizo gives it an incredible flavor, guys. Now let's take a look at hot link and lay it right over our tortilla. Look at those strips, guys. That looks really good. Now let's take our chorizo and put it right over the hot link, nice and loaded. All kinds of flavor going on here. Let's add our fresh guacamole right on top of it. And now the avocado salsa that we made the other day, let's drizzle it right over the guacamole. Look at this, guys. This right here is perfection. Just look at that. Oh my God, this is perfect. Look at this stuff right here, guys. This is really good. Let's try it out. Man, this here is something that is really simple to make, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Let's try it out. Oh my God, this is really good. Oh yeah! The chorizo, the cheese, guacamole, salsa, everything hits at the same time. It's a combination of flavors, guys. It's not hot, it's not spicy at all. And well, guys, thank you so much for being here with me today. This is all I got for you. I love you, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye!